Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data frames with Pandas and PostgreSQL step by step clearly. Begin by importing the necessary libraries in your Python environment. Import Pandas as PD. Import scicop2 to connect to the PostgreSQL database. You'll also want to import SQL Alchemy for easier database interaction. Define your database connection parameters including hostname, database name, username, and password. Establish a connection to your PostgreSQL database using scicop2. Create a cursor object to interact with the database. To create a data frame, utilize the Pandas data frame function. Add your data in the form of a dictionary or list. Make sure your data frame is formatted correctly for PostgreSQL. Specify the table name where you want to transfer the data in PostgreSQL. Use the to_SQL method from Pandas to write your data frame to the PostgreSQL table. Ensure that you set the if_exists parameter based on your requirements. True will replace the table if it exists, while append will add data to the existing table. In your to_SQL method, include the connection string created with SQL Alchemy. Close your cursor once the data transfer is complete. Commit the changes and close the database connection. To confirm your data transfer, you can read the table back into a Pandas data frame using pd_read_SQL. Check the contents of this new data frame to ensure accuracy. With these steps completed, you have successfully transferred a Pandas data frame to PostgreSQL. Feel free to explore further by querying and analyzing data within PostgreSQL. Utilize the features offered by Pandas to manipulate and visualize your data if needed. Now you are equipped to handle data frame transfers between Pandas and PostgreSQL efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.